What's goody? It's your boy Rob with Goodieart, man. I decided to come get some fresh air and enjoy a little bit of nature out here at Sweetwater Creek. Take you guys along for the ride. Y'all enjoy. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with all your friends and family. What motivates you? What motivates you to keep going, as well as becoming a better person or bettering yourself in your skill set, goal, or your craft? Is it money? Is it love? Is it material things that motivate you? Or maybe it's just the fact that people said that you wouldn't amount to anything or achieve anything. Maybe it's your friends or family that motivates you. But what is it that truly motivates you? Whatever that one thing or multiple things is that motivates you, how is it that it motivates you? Feel free to leave the comments down below. I myself am motivated by breaking the family cycle of working for somebody for the rest of my life. Now, don't get me wrong, working for someone, for some of you, is the right path and it works. But that's never been what I wanted for my family, my future generations, or myself, was working for somebody for the rest of my life. I'm also motivated by the ability to give back to my community and those in need. I try to live my life in abundance, without worry, carefree, and that's abundance with anything, not just money and finances. That's abundance in everything, and knowing that everything will be provided for me. But even knowing that life is gonna throw you some challenges, but I also try to make sure that I see my challenges as already accomplished. Once I see a challenge, I try to eliminate that as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and share this video with your friends and family. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you can keep up with the latest from Goodieart. And I will see you in the next one.